Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing amazing. This video is super exciting. We're going to unbox this TYMO wave curling iron. I just wanted to have some wavy hair. Without wasting more time, let's get started. Here is the... And it has a lifetime warranty with it. Oh, good to know. It's a kind of a cute note which says, "Thank you for choosing TYMO." TYMO is a fashion and technical brand specializing in developing personal care products. Here it comes. There are buttons in here. First, you'll click on this power button. It worked. It's getting warm. If you see, there is a button right here. That's for the seconds, like how many seconds you want to put in. It's for the seconds. I'll just section my hair first. I'm just gonna take it like this. And make sure you always use a heat protectant. Start. I think I need to increase the temperature. No, this didn't work. Let me try again. So this is how it looks like right now, but I'm just gonna trust the process. And it's kind of heavy. We spent years in training, and this is how it looks right now. Fighting battles uphill when care is heavy and getting now I'm gonna take these small sections and let's see how that works. If you need or want me, never too hard to this is how it looks like. Okay guys, so I'm kind of done with this, so I'm just gonna take this section now. And we'll go there side by side, you and I. Yeah, I think we spent years in training, fighting battles uphill when care is heavy. This looks pretty. My hands are so tired. Guys, I'm done with this side and you can see this side looks so pretty right now. And I'm just gonna fix this side now. You know the places that I like to hide, and we'll go there side by side, you and I, our footsteps in perfect stride. It looks so pretty. Okay, so it seems like finally I'm done. When your night's been so long. So this is how my hair looks like, and I think it's worth it. You can see the waves. It has a proper beachy wave. See? And let me just quickly change my outfit too, and I'm just gonna show you. You're never too hard to find. Okay, so here is the final look. And thank you so much for watching the whole video. Make sure to do like, share, comment, subscribe. See ya in next video. Bye bye.